A man named Hunt from Chesterfield, St. Mary, Jamaica, had a serious problem with cheating. One night, he and his friend decided to meet up with women they were secretly seeing. Hunt's friend went to his woman's house, and Hunt went to his side piece to spend the night. In the dead of night, Hunt left his side piece's house to return home to his wife. The road was silent and pitch dark, the kind of darkness that feels like it's watching you. As he passed his friend's yard gate, he noticed a figure standing on the veranda, dressed in white and perfectly still.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Thinking it was his friend, Hunt switched on his flashlight. But as soon as the beam hit the figure, it started moving toward him slowly. Hunt felt his chest tighten, his breath quicken, and his body grow stiff. That's when he realized it wasn't his friend. It was a duppy, a headless duppy. Panic gripped him as a foul smell filled the air, thick and suffocating. The duppy drew closer, its steps eerily silent. Desperate, Hunt remembered the old saying, "When you see duppy, chip to bumbleclaw to run dem way." With trembling hands, Hunt clapped his palms together and started shouting like a madman. "Me rebuke you in the name of God, go back where you come from." His voice echoed in the empty night, and suddenly, the duppy stopped and vanished into the dark. Shaking with fear, Hunt stumbled back home, his flashlight trembling in his grip. When he confessed everything to his woman, hoping for comfort, she stared at him coldly. "The headless duppy shoulda kill ya.